Don't stop scaring people. God, bitch, you with your Eastern culture.
No, let me show you how it's done.
Marcus.
What?
No. Look close up the bridge. Looks majestic. Yeah, careful. There's a big van coming in your face.
I already see. Hear me? See.
Let's go to the Pebble Beach. Pebble Beach now? Done. My favorite park in the universe. This one.
Oops, careful.
Can I go to the park?
No, we don't have time, baby. Baby, I'll buy you Robux.
Yay!
There you go.
How much?
As I promised you, those what 1,000 something if you listen.
Okay.
Here, don't step. Oh, there. Pebble Beach. Marcus,
Well,
go get Pebble and throw it in the river,
Okay.
East River. Your last chance to do it.
sorry. What's he gonna do? Oh dear.
It's,
There.
oh, down there.
Straight away.
Did you throw in a
A
pebble?
big
Oh my god.
pebble. That's a
One of the
big
biggest.
pebble.
Thing ever. Wow. Come back!
3 for all of us.
Huh? Oh,
Three.
for
Yeah.
3 of them. Yeah.
3 of them.
Come, let's go.
Ah.
Is it good?
What?
Was it good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
I really wanted to stay there, like.
We have to go to the plane today. So soon enough we'll have to go to the airport, okay?
Yeah.
So we can't stay long, unfortunately.
Oh, last day in New York.
And at night time when we were here, you were super cold.
Remember we've been here? Not. Yeah?
Your full time. Let's get out of here.
This time you hot, isn't it?
No.
West Elm. Marcos.
Finally.
Going around Jane's Carousel, okay? We're gonna go Jane's Carousel around, and then we're gonna go to the old. I think it was an old fire engine, whatever building.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Believe it.
behind the Brooklyn Bridge. Okay, know what they're building here?
What?
This is gonna be open this year, and it's gonna be like a swimming pool, which like gonna filtrate itself. It's gonna be very clean water, because this river, East River,
Yeah.
is very polluted. No one swam in this place like for many years officially, like legally, because it's so polluted. So what they're doing, they're gonna make this like a square in the middle where the crane is, and it's gonna filtrate the water. It'll be very clean water, and people who don't mind the cold water, they can go inside there and do coca. That's the plan.
But it's rideable.
It is, yeah.
It wasn't working last
I
time.
know.
Yeah, because it was
Well, look at the cute.
Yeah, but it's super huge queue, Bobby. Yeah.
It's
We
very
won't
nice
be able
ride.
to wait for it. Okay.
It's a very nice ride by the looks of it, yeah.
It is.
Jane done a very good job on it. Yeah, so for me, this park is the best. It has the best views in my books, at least. It's amazing. That's Williamsboro Bridge, Manhattan Bridge, and Brooklyn Bridge.
So nice.
Go in front, go in front. Go in front.
But now it's like, how do I give this plate back?
Good boy. Amazing, isn't it?
Beautiful.
The best view is even further down. It's even better.
Если ходит этот автобус, если
Wow.
What?
That is corner, they call it. Sit on Mama's lap, please. You're nearly there, anyway. It doesn't get old. Even though if I would live here every day, I wouldn't get tired of this view. Look, Emily Warren Roebling. That's the lady who is responsible building the bridge. Roebling. It's funny how the husband got sick and then she had to deal with the husband and deal with the construction while the husband complaining at home being sick, you know, like typical, you know, typical, man.
Yeah,
The
they're
woman has to do
horrible.
everything. Woman had to do the home responsibilities at home and take care of his sick husband. Funny.
Hilarious.
That's happens usually.
Oh dear, Bobby. Whee!
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn.
Look at that. Look under the bridge. Marcus, you've been on there.
Yeah,
Marcus, look up.
been up there.
Look up.
Yeah.
Look how high we've been. Imagine this bridge like 100 years ago. People had to be like, oh my god, look at this monstrosity. How big it was.
Crazy. Oh my god.
Marcos.
What?
Nothing. I love you.
Love you too.
Look at this view.
No, it's pretty. There's the bridge.
That building next to Manhattan Bridge, when we last time, and the guys was in like halfway finished. No, like obviously fully finished. That's our last stop, okay, Marcus?
I'd rather.
I'll take a picture here. For professional photographers. Instagram.
Еще без таких библиотеки платить. Вот. Ну, как бы да, вот это новое видение, что...
Look at that. We're winning.
No, it's not. It's El Quinceañero or something.
And 1 second, I'll find a spot for you guys. And
Hey, dude, just
you stay with us.